The high-level meeting for meat exporters and importers attracted private sector players from IGAD member states to address regional issues in livestock trade.
From the initiatives that we have seen in Namibia, and also the understanding of the market requirements in MENA, we have been able to initiate a private sector consortium called the Uganda Meat Processors and Exporters Consortium.
The Chief Veterinary Officer and Commissioner for Animal Health in the Ministry of Agriculture, Dr. Ademun, noted that government is taking steps to eradicate foot and mouth disease to meet international meat export standards.
Those that are susceptible to foot and mouth disease are going to be vaccinated within 3 years. And once we vaccinate all of this, we are going to bring down the prevalence of foot and mouth disease in the country.
The IGAD head of mission to Uganda, Jocelyn Bigirwa, says the engagement reviews collaboration progress, gather feedback from importers and exporters, create networking opportunities, and enhances trade and investment.
The exporting countries in the IGAD region are committed to supply healthy and fit to standard animals and animal products. The livestock value chain actors, including the government, have been progressively working to improve animal disease surveillance, vaccination and disease control to improve compliance to sanitary requirements.
The meeting on the theme, Strengthening Collaboration for Enhanced Trade in Live Animals and Meat, promotes trade and investment in livestock areas. FAO Livestock Officer Dr. Richard Mondri highlighted IGAD and FAO's role in implementing projects for safe and quality livestock and meat from the region.
And that's why it's important that, like tomorrow and the day after, we have a meeting between all the chief veterinary officers, between the IGAD region and the MENA region, so they can convene together and agree on the sanitary measures that are important.
The 2021 UBOS census shows Uganda has 14.4 million cattle, 17.4 million goats, 4.4 million sheep, 6 million pigs, and 57 million poultry. The normal offtake runs between 10% to 100%, and the government plans to establish zonal areas to eliminate foot and mouth disease.
So what we have done is to encourage the exporters and the importers to be aware of the standards and of course contact the veterinary services of either countries, the exporting and the importing, on good time, so that they are aware of the standards that are required of them before they can engage in business.